Oh, it's got one of the old night kits. Okay. I thought I didn't recognize that one. Battery checkers, battery eliminators, condenser checkers, vacuum tube voltmeters, intermodulation analyzers. Do you know over what period of time he collected these?
Well, we've been down here maybe about 7 years.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to assume he had that stuff when he was out at the other location, because I know they had to build the shelves here. So how he acquired it and when,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not, 100% sure.
Right.
How he did it, don't know. It's just a lot of stuff.
So voltage calibrators, some of these I've never seen. I would like to get my hands on one of these. It's really pretty much the same as those, I think, but different packaging. Wow. And this is some of the Heathkit bicycles, right? Or the accessories?
These ain't Heathkits, but he's got TV, microwave, all kinds of stuff over there that's Heathkit. Heathkit TV.
Yeah, I thought they might have had some sort of add-on or something for bicycles, but apparently that's something else.
I didn't see nothing on these bikes.
Yeah.
These bikes here are strictly their brand.
Boy, look at those scopes. And they're in good condition, too. That's
I was just going to say, all this stuff has been kept up.
I wonder if he restored them or if he just got them in good condition. Maybe some of both. Wow.
He definitely knew how to do the work.
There's a passion there. I have some collections, but they're nothing like this.
Mm-hmm.
He's got some of the old trainers.
Business 50 years or better.
Yeah.
Started that stuff when he was back in little guy.
Mm-hmm. Where was his original location?
Then when he was in the service, he worked radios.
Yeah, you're right. I hadn't even noticed, like the other guy, I hadn't even realized how much equipment was behind the first tier. Yeah, wow. And this is some stuff I've never even seen before. It's not in any of the books that I've read, so it's a, different series. Heathbuilt. Huh. I'm gonna have to look that stuff up. I think I built every one of the meters they had in this series at some point. These things are difficult too. That series, those things, if a IC in those things goes bad, you probably never find one. I've got several sitting around that I cannot repair. Just can't find the parts. A couple of these in particular, this model here, I'll probably never get them working. Yeah, the ones I'm trying to get is these guys, this series, the 2700 series of power supplies. I've managed to get about half the manuals for that whole series, and the other ones are just unobtainium. And I've got a YouTube video on this whole series here of the low-end multimeters. Do restorations on them all. And then this series up here, I just acquired examples of all of those in that series. And they all need some work. They're all kind of working, but they need some work to get them right. So that's my next project, is diving into those. Microwaves. Automotive stuff, ignition analyzers.
Maybe somebody else might say, ooh, I'd like to get that, but it's got to be a big company. Somebody is going to want to pay out that money.
Right.
And it's amazing all the different things that they made.
So this is what are brands? Some Allied stuff in here, along with some of the Heathkits and Knights. So do you know if these are still kits in the box or if they're just empty boxes?
No, there's kits.
There's kits in the box. That is worth a lot. That is worth a lot right there. People are paying big bucks for unbuilt Heathkits. Oh, that reminds me, I've got an H8.
If you're interested in any of that kind of stuff.
Well, I'll take a quick look.
I just started working on this floor here Saturday and trying to get all this old radio stuff here, the floor models lined up and finding stuff here and finding stuff there. You know, we got a ton of tubes.
Pretty good assortment of Tektronix back here.
Oh, yeah.
This must have been a huge job just getting it here from the other place.
Oh yeah. So this room over here, now I will tell you, we went through 4 jumps. You couldn't walk through. You know, it was just filled up full of old stuff and broken antennas and you name it. And that whole wall straight ahead and down to the right, and all this stuff up here is all TV picture tubes and stuff, and got old
just parts.
radios. Yeah.
Old car radios galore. Wow.
Had all that stuff, all these stereo things and stuff. So a few people's expressed some interest on it. So we just have to wait. But we done good. Over the last couple of weeks, I got these aisles cleaned and put stuff up on the shelf. And
Like I said, ain't too much going on.